All right, so we're putting some decals on the Raptor. Little Lowe's buggy. 5 horsepower, baby. We're gonna clean it off with a little bit of Windex. All right, so we've already located where we want to put our sticker. We know we want to go here. We'll put us a little bit of painter's tape right here. Okay, so we've got 2 pieces of tape. That's gonna guide me where to go. That one, you do not warp the decal itself or crease it, because it is very easy for that to happen. And then also, see, as you're peeling it up, the decal doesn't always want to come up. Turn it on. All right. Okay, now I have my decal. I'm gonna pull it out tight, and I'm gonna line it right up in this corner. As long as that corner is lined up on both sides, this thing should be straight. So, whoops, I got an air bubble. Told you I'm not the man at this. So when you get an air bubble, that means you're probably not real good at it, or you missed something, or you made a mistake. So that's me. But I'm gonna run it. I'm gonna get this air bubble out of it. It will no longer be a problem. And I got the air bubble out. Now it looks like there's some piece of debris or something right there. See this air bubble right here? It's a big one. So, like I said, I'm not great at this, but let's see if we can get this to push out. So we're gonna take our card and we're just gonna roll it with some pressure. There it went. It actually came right out. That's great. And you have new graphics. Awesome. Stay tuned. We got some more stuff we're gonna do.